fam, it's another day, another blessing, and another adventure. Kumusta ka na? In today's video, we are going to visit one of the most beautiful resorts in Porac, Pampanga, Philippines. Nature's View Resort. Be amazed in the healing power and beauty of nature. At syempre, imbitado ka. Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Tara, sama ka. Nature's View Resort is located in Porac, Pampanga. And if you're coming from Manila, it would probably take you more or less 2 or 3 hours drive to get to this resort. Is it going to be worth it? Let's find out. As we enter the resort, I can't help but to get impressed by its landscape and green scenery. Napaganda ng mga luntiang halaman at mga punong kahoy. We rented out Villa number 2, which we paid 15,000 pesos for an overnight stay. This villa is beside a private pool and pretty much complete with amenities such as 2 air-conditioned rooms, bathroom, a stove and grill, refrigerator, living room, and a videoke or karaoke. And speaking of video, okay, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Ilabas na ang mga natatagong talento. That was indeed a great first day. But before we end the night, kain na muna tayo ng mga barbecues, hot dogs, pansit, at iba pa. It's a beautiful morning, and our second day at Nature's View Resort. Habang inihintay pa ang breakfast, this is also the best time to walk around and get a closer look how beautiful this place is. I already said it, and I'm gonna say it again. Nakakabilib talaga ang landscape ng lugar na to. It's almost like the resort is one with nature. Whether it's swimming, hiking, adventure, or just relaxing and enjoying the breathtaking scenery, Nature's View Resort is indeed the perfect place to unwind and just have the best time of your life. As the main attractions of the resort, currently there are 6 infinity pools that provide a stunning view of the surrounding hills. Just imagine, taking a sweet time in this majestic pool with this gorgeous view. Mapapabuntong hininga ka na lang, at masasabi mo na lang bigla, parang ayoko nang umuwi sa may amin. At the back of this infinity pool is a wide open space perfect for picnics, barbecues, and gatherings. There are also other attractions or activities in this resort that you might enjoy, such as shooting arrows at the archery station, and they also offer fancy camping adventure. That was a good walk, and now it's time to enjoy our Pinoy breakfast. Yum yum, kainan na! I'm not 100% sure. I don't think they have a restaurant nor they offer food inside the resort. We didn't bother checking dahil nagdala kami ng sariling pagkain. And like I said, may functional kitchen naman ang Villa number 2, so we can basically cook and eat all we want. After that good breakfast, Sulitin na natin yung swimming pool. Habang nag-enjoy ang buong pamilya sa pagsiswimming, allow me to share 3 things I like about Nature's View Resort. Number 1, the view. I may sound like a broken record, napakaganda talaga ng surrounding area ng lugar na to. The vibe is just so relaxing. It will definitely allow you to disconnect and forget the hustle and bustle of the city. Kung gusto mo ng quick break away from work, I believe Nature's View Resort can provide that. Number 2, the infinity pool. Speaking of relaxing, this attraction will not disappoint. Swimming in this pool is no longer just for fun, but it will also help you relax your mind and your body while surrounded by beautiful hills. Number 3, the villas. Every villa is so unique and functional. It can accommodate small or big groups depending on your need. Malay mo, tulad namin, baka makakuha ka ng konting discount. If I may share, we also get an opportunity na makakwentuhan ang isa sa mga owners ng resort. Napakabait and napaka-humble niya, which added to the beautiful experience that we had at this resort. It was indeed an awesome day. I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin sa araw na to. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope everyone will have a blessed day.